Alrighty everyone, what we have here is a cute but deadly Overwatch Blizzard figurine. So it's a blind figurine. We're gonna kind of just open it, see what's in it. First we got the box here, front, side, back, side. The figures there are is, I haven't played the game, so there's Genji, Reaper, McCree, DVA, Sombra, Lucio, Zira, Hanzo, Bone Soldier 76, Jakal Farah, Sporty Tracer, and Omnic Crisis, as well as a mystery figurine. Now, I will be having an upload schedule starting the next few weeks. There might be a gaming video later this week, I don't know. Or a review video. Cardboard line. With the cute, but deadly blind bag. And here's the box. Probably gonna keep this to store the figurine in for now, because I don't plan on putting it on display yet. Ooh, who do we got here? Ooh, we got Reaper. Reaper comes with a little base. Good figure. It's kind of, it's a figurine. Not too much. Not too much, actually, to be honest. Nothing special. And then his little feet go like this, I'm guessing. Ta-da! A little Reaper. And it's gonna go back in the box for now. But it will go up on display, but for now, go over to my display shelf. There we go. That is all that I'm going to do. This was a short video. I don't know what happened there. Sorry. Don't understand what happened. It was just a short video to make something fun to do. Well, bye.